Hello my friends, welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today I've got a great pie recipe to share with y'all and it'll be perfect for summer. We're going to make cherry pie from scratch. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, loaded with fresh cherries and bursting with flavor. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. If y'all love cherry pie, this recipe is calling your name. And this pie will be also great for the holidays. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more pie recipes, check out my pie recipes playlist and my previous video, Southern Fresh Fried Corn. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So turn on your oven, grab your pie crust and your fresh cherries, sugar, because we're about to bake some cherry pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our cherries. In my bowl, I have 1.5 pounds of fresh cherries that I rinsed. So now we're going to remove the pit. We're going to take a cherry and we're going to remove it using my cherry pitter. Just going to place the cherry in the middle and press it down like so. Just like that. Going to take the pit off and place it into my pot. Just repeat the process. Alright, as soon as I get through pitting the rest of my cherries, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through pitting my cherries and I got them all into my pot. I'm using a large pot or you can use a medium saucepan. And I forgot to mention I'm using sweet cherries. We are ready to cook them. So I have my fire over medium heat. We're going to add in the zest and the juice of a large lemon. It's going to give it that tartness of the classic cherry pie. Now we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. That's a 1/2 cup and 1/4 of a cup. Going to stir these together until they well combine. It will create a glaze. So now we're going to let the cherries cook until all the juice is released. About 10 minutes. Alright my friends, all the juices have been released from the cherries and off camera I poured the sauce into my measuring cup. We have 3/4 of a cup and into the sauce we're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch. This is going to be the thickening agent for the cherries and stir this until it's well incorporated. So now we are going to pour it into the cherries. Give it a stir until it's well blended. Going to let the cherries continue to cook until it thickens. And as soon as it thickens, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our cherries is nice and thick. Now it is time to add in our other ingredients. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Next we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a pinch of kosher salt. Cinnamon is amazing with cherry. This ingredient is optional, but I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of pure cherry extract. Give it an extra flavor. And this extract is also amazing with cherry. We're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of pure almond extract. And I like my filling a little bit more red, so I'm going to add in just a few drops of red food coloring. Give these a quick stir until it's well combined and the butter melts. Oh, this filling is super thick. It's going to be one amazing cherry pie. Alright, as soon as I get through mixing everything and the butter melts, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our cherry filling is done. Nothing like the smell of cherry. Smells so good. So now we are ready to pour it into our pie crust. We are going to pour it in the 9-inch pie crust, and this is my homemade pie crust. I'll post the link to that recipe down in the description box below. You can also use a refrigerated or a frozen deep dish pie crust. Spread it evenly. Okie dokie, now we're going to set this aside while we work on our top crust. Going to dust some flour onto my work surface. Going to plop my crust down. Going to roll it using my floured rolling pin. Roll it to about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. And I'm just going to place the crust on top. You can make lattice strips if you like. Going to gently roll my pie crust. And roll it right on top. Ta-da! Excellent. So now we are going to remove the excess. Now we are going to tuck the edges in like so. Alrighty, perfect. So now we're going to cut 4 small sleeves in the middle so the steam can escape and it won't explode in the oven. Alrighty, and over here in this bowl, I have an egg wash, 1 extra large egg white with 1 tablespoon of water, and I mix those together until they're well incorporated. Going to brush it on top. It will give our pie a nice golden brown color. To give our pie more flavor and extra brown color, we're going to add in some pats of butter. This is totally optional. I watch my grandmother and my mama make pies. They always add pats of butter. OMG, so good. Last but not least, to give our pie some shine, we're going to sprinkle on some white sugar right on top. Alright, beautiful. You ready to go into the oven? It's nice and hot and waiting for you. Oven's preheated to 400 degrees. Going to let it bake for the first 25 minutes. Alright, my friends, after the first 25 minutes, we're going to cover the edges with aluminum foil so that way the top crust won't brown quickly. Alrighty, back in the oven she goes for another 20 minutes. So that's a total of 45 minutes of baking time. And I'll bring you back. My friends, look at here at this beautiful cherry pie. Ain't she pretty? It's nice and golden brown. And there you have it, fresh cherry pie completely from scratch. Don't that look good? Smells heavenly up in this kitchen. You don't want to cut it right away. Let it rest and cool for about 4 hours. And after that, I'll cut me up a slice and we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I got my plate right here and I'm serving it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or you can serve it with whipped cream, and I have some cherries on the side. After all, it is a cherry pie. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. The cherries are nice and firm, has a nice sweet and tart balance, and the crust is buttery and flaky. What a great cherry pie. It is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. In fact, let me grab me some ice cream. Yum-o. Cherry pie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.